What's up, superstars? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a realistic t-shirt mockup in Photoshop. Whether you're designing for a brand, an online store, or showcasing your work to clients, a professional-looking mockup helps bring your design to life. A well-made mockup enhances presentation, improves marketing visuals, and gives a better sense of how the final product will look in real life. Let's dive in. First, open your t-shirt image in Photoshop. In the Layers panel, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. With the duplicated layer selected, desaturate the image using Hue and Saturation. Press Ctrl+U for Windows and Command-U for Mac. Now go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to around 10 pixels, then click OK. Go to File, Save As, name it something like Displacement Map, and save it. Now delete the blurred layer, then save it to a new file, name it something like a mockup template. Create a new document by pressing Ctrl-N. Make sure it is set to 15 by 18 inches and 300 dpi. Place your design and delete the background layer. Save it and rename the file as design. Go back to the mockup file. Drag the design file into Photoshop and position it over the t-shirt. Adjust and resize the placement of the design file. Create a new solid color. Then create a clipping mask by pressing Ctrl-Alt-G so you can edit the overall color of the design. Select both layers, then create a group by pressing Ctrl-G. With the design layer selected, go to Filter, Distort, then Displace. Set both horizontal and vertical scale to 15, and click OK. When prompted, open the displacement map file you saved earlier. Now change the blending mode to multiply. Select the background layer, then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl-J. Place it on top of the layers, then desaturate it using Hue and Saturation. Just press Ctrl-U. Change the blending mode to hard light. Then create a clipping mask by pressing Ctrl-Alt-G. Rename the layer to hard light. Adjust the levels by pressing Ctrl-L to achieve a realistic blend. To create additional highlights, duplicate the background layer once more and place it on top of the layers. Create a clipping mask, then change the blending mode to soft light. Desaturate it using Hue and Saturation by pressing Ctrl-U. Adjust the levels to achieve a realistic blend. Rename the layer into soft light. If you are still not satisfied, you can also adjust the opacity of the design. A realistic t-shirt mockup makes your designs look natural and professional. With these simple techniques, you can create mockups that stand out and feel authentic. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tip. Keep creating, keep experimenting. Visit us at transfersuperstars.com, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.